Something historic just happened in the automotive world that every Singaporean investor needs to understand. For the first time ever, Chinese electric vehicle maker BYD has outsold Tesla in Europe, while simultaneously becoming the #1 car brand right here in Singapore. This isn't just a monthly blip. This represents a fundamental shift that could create massive wealth for those who understand what's really happening. Let me break down the numbers that are sending shockwaves through the industry. In April 2025, BD sold 7,231 battery electric vehicles across Europe, narrowly beating Tesla's 7,165 units. But here's what makes this even more remarkable. BYD only officially expanded beyond Norway and the Netherlands late last year. Meanwhile, Tesla has been dominating European markets for years. Right here in Singapore, the story is even more dramatic. BYD captured 20% of our total vehicle market in the first 4 months of 2025, selling 3,002 cars. To put this in perspective, they have dethroned Toyota, which managed only 2,050 sales, and absolutely crushed Tesla, which sold just 535 units. Remember, just 5 years ago, in 2020, BYD sold exactly 3 cars in Singapore. 3 cars. Today, they're the market leader. So what's driving this unprecedented success? And why should Singaporean investors and consumers care? Let's analyze the key factors behind BYD's dominance and what it means for our market. First, pricing strategy. BYD is systematically undercutting established players while delivering superior technology. In Singapore, their popular Atto 3 SUV costs $165,888, which is $5,000 cheaper than Toyota's Corolla Altis. When you consider that both qualify for Singapore's generous EV incentives of up to 40,000 in combined EEAI and VS rebates, BYD becomes incredibly attractive to cost-conscious Singaporean buyers. But this isn't just about being cheap. BYD's secret weapon is their vertically integrated supply chain and proprietary blade battery technology. While Tesla and traditional automakers depend on external suppliers, BYD controls everything from battery production to final assembly. This gives them better margins, faster innovation cycles, and protection against supply chain disruptions that have plagued the industry. The timing couldn't be better for BYD's Singapore success. Our government's push toward 100% electric vehicle sales by 2030, combined with current incentive schemes ending in December 2025, creates urgency for consumers to switch to EVs now. BYD has positioned itself perfectly to capture this demand with multiple models across different price segments. The key takeaway for Singaporean investors is that we're witnessing a fundamental shift in the global automotive industry. Traditional brand loyalties are breaking down as consumers prioritize value, technology, and environmental impact over heritage nameplates. BYD has positioned itself at the center of this transformation with superior cost structure, rapid innovation, and aggressive global expansion.